How to add signature in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. After you click on the gear icon, click on See All Settings. After you click on See All Settings in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Then click on General at the top. After you click on General at the top, scroll down, you'll find Signature. Simply click on Create New, add new signature name, press on Create. Then you will be able to add your signature in here, add anything you want. After you've added, you can scroll down, you'll find two settings, which is for new email use, you can use the signature, and also on reply forward use. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to add signature in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.